Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mint decavitator. This specialized tool requires careful handling and a precise approach for optimal results. We will cover the essential steps, from initial setup to the final post-decavitation checks. Following these instructions meticulously ensures the integrity of your delicate items. Let's begin by preparing your workspace and understanding the device's core functions. Proper preparation is crucial for successful decavitation. First, calibrate the decavitator's tip to its precise setting, typically 0.5 millimeters for accurate removal. Next, carefully secure your item in the specialized holding clamp, ensuring it is stable and won't shift during the process. Finally, confirm that your power supply is stable, providing a consistent 12 volts to prevent any operational interruptions. Now, let's proceed with the decavitation. Activate the tool at its lowest power setting to begin. Carefully position the tip over the target area and apply gentle, consistent pressure. It's vital to observe the removal process through a magnification lens to ensure precision and avoid damaging the surrounding material. Work slowly and methodically, making small adjustments as needed until the cavity is fully addressed. After decavitation, proper post-processing and maintenance are essential. Carefully clean the decavitator tip using isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue, ensuring it's ready for future use. Always store the tool in its designated protective case to prevent damage and maintain its calibration. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures your decavitator remains in top condition for many precise operations to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.